Yes! Hi, welcome back. Today I'm gonna try to fix my iPhone XR because as you remember in my previous video, my iPhone XR was broken by my kid. She's very naughty. There's nothing I can do about it. Anyway, I did not purchase Apple Care at that time. So if I were to have this repaired, then I would have to pay for it myself. This would cost me about almost $400 to fix. But if I purchased the Apple Care, I would have just paid for $140. I had this appraised in the Apple store, and the only option they could do is, if I don't pay for it, then I might as well just recycle this phone, but which is just a shame. So I had two issues with this phone. The back is broken to bits. The front screen, as you can see, there's nothing. There's no response. I can only press the power button and that's it. If you look at it from the front, it still looks good. At the back, not very good. But I might be able to fix this. It would cost me a lot of money to pay for the back, and it would cost me even more money to pay for the LCD screen because it's not working. But first of all, I need to emphasize this disclaimer. The damage is not covered under the warranty. So even if I open this phone, no warranty would be voided, no cover would be voided. I can do whatever with this phone. What I did to save money was to buy items from eBay, because there's so many cheap items in there. So one of the things I bought was this one. This would be my new LCD screen if it works. I also bought this back glass cover from eBay. All in all, both of them are relatively cheap compared to going to the repair shop, and it will cost me at least $500, $600 to repair the front and the back. To spend that much money to repair this phone wouldn't be practical. So I might as well buy a new phone. But I haven't lost hope with this phone. I might still be able to use it. When this got broken, it was less than 1 year old. So I hope I can still fix this. All right. So you will need an iPhone repair kit like these ones. All right, let's begin. The first thing we need to do is take out these two screws right here. Now that we've opened the phone, it's time to remove the screws from all these points here, because you need to separate the whole LCD from these connections right here. So all you need to do is remove all these parts here carefully. Just a reminder, while you're removing the screws, it's important that you're organized with arranging your screws and the parts from the iPhone. It's easy to interchange them because they're very small. Better remember which screw goes where. One of the most important things to remember is you must disconnect the battery first before doing anything else. This is the connection for the batteries. The battery is off now. Here we go. This is the LCD screen that's not working. It comes with a free screen protector, that's good. What's this? I don't even know what this is. Alright. Very similar in front, but at the back Let's see if it works now. Yes! Woohoo! Alright, we got a phone working. We got a phone working. Yeah. It actually works, but we're not done yet. I think we need to transfer the connection for the camera. Actually, I'm quite happy that it's working. Even the volume button is working. Now we're completely disconnected from the damaged LCD, and it's time to connect all these components to the new one. Now this would be my new LCD right here. Time to connect to the main phone. All right, let's see. Ooh, let's see. YouTube. Boom. Let's see if the speaker works. Yes, it's good. Oh, okay, I didn't think I would be able to repair this myself. We're finished with the LCD. It took me quite a while, maybe an hour to figure things out, but I'm done with that. I haven't actually put all the parts back in because I need to change this the back, and I think this might prove to be more difficult than the LCD. That was very interesting. My very first ever works like a charm. Look, and it only cost me about less than $50, maybe $30 to do this. It wasn't as easy as I thought it would be because there was so many parts to consider, but in the end we got there. Let's see if the camera works. Let's have a look. Yes, the camera works. It works. We got photo. How about the video? Video works. Everything works. So I didn't think I could repair the camera as well. The camera wasn't functioning the last time I checked. For the back glass, I will have to make another video for that because the video would be too long. I hope you learned something from what I just did. But remember, this is a disclaimer. That phone was void of warranty. There was no cover at all, so it was just all me, and that was my own iPhone XR. So you need to be very careful, especially because it involves a battery, involves electronics, and it might involve fire as well. There's risks involved, so make sure to think about that before doing this. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you're watching in YouTube so you can see our future videos. If you're watching this in Facebook, just like, share, and follow our page, Lauren Paul TV. Stay tuned for the repair of the back glass of my iPhone X and see if I could do it successfully. Thanks for watching, guys, and Merry Christmas.